problems. These problems depend on the electrostatics energy in a capacitors. This is the unsolved problem in a books, and these problems is completely 3 marks. Now firstly read the carefully problems. A 600 microfarad capacitor is charged by 250 volt battery. How many electrostatics energy stored in capacitor? And the second, the capacitor is disconnected from battery and connected to other 600 microfarad capacitor. What is the energy stored in system? Now firstly write down the given data. Okay, now the capacitor C1 is equal to what? 600 microfarads. Micro means what? 10 raised to minus 6. So the 600 into 10 raised to power minus 6 farad. Okay, now the volt V, that is the 250 volts. 250 volts. Now another battery is connected what? 600 microfarads. So the C2 is equal to again 600 microfarad, that is the 600 into 10 raised to power minus 6 farad. Okay. First is how many electrostatic energy is stored in capacitor. So E1 is equal to question mark, and then again second is the E2 is equal to question mark. Energy stored in system, stored in system, so is given by E is equal to, formula, the half CV square. So is equal to, now put up the value of this formula, so the half, now this C. So consider the E1 and this C1 V square. Okay, now the half into, C1's value is 600 into 10 raised to power minus 6 farad. So again modify this equation. So the 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 and this 10 raised to 2. So that is the 10 raised to minus 4. And this into V square. V square is nothing but what? 250 whole bracket square into 250 square. 250 square. So is equal to, modify these all step, that is 1875 into 10 raised to power minus 2. That is E1 is equal to what? 18.75 joule. This is the E1. Okay. So E1 is equal to 18.75 joules. Now again find the E2. When C1 is connected in a C2, C1 is connected to C2 in a series form. Okay, in a series form. Now again, firstly CS is equal to, so CS in a series form. So CS is equal to C1 into C2. So C1 plus C2. Then again CS is equal to what? C by 2 is equal to 600 into 10 raised to power minus 6 divided by 2. That is 300 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Energy stored, again energy stored in system, so is given by, that is the E2 is equal to what? Half CS V square. Now put up the value, half, CS is equal to what? 300 into 10 raised to power minus 6, V that is the 250 square. So again half into 3 into 10 raised to 2, because the 2 0, 10 raised to 2 into, and this 10 raised to minus 6, that is the 10 raised to minus 4 into 250 square. Again modify this step. So that is 1.5 into 6 to 5, that is a square, into 10 raised to power minus 2, that is equal to all these multiplication of this step. So 9.375 joule. So E2 is equal to what? 9.375 joule. And this problem is completely solved.